Hey folks, just a wobblehead here. Wanted to tell you all a story about the man who discovered the islands of Hawaii, Mr. Captain James Cook. Never that, near this spot on February 14th of 1779. He was running all through these here woods away from the tribal people. He tried to kidnap the chief of the tribe that once stood here. Because one of the natives stole his boat. So in return, ready to go, and he got bludgeoned in the back of the head, right here. And there's my boat right there. And so I got over here at the Kealakekua Bay. As a matter of fact, beautiful. Really is. Absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I figured, in honor of his death, go, Birdie, go. Go, Birdie, go. Yeah, so anyway, this is one of the nicest places to kayak in all the world. The monument is back behind these trees. Thousands of years ago, this was a whole mountain right there. I mean, fucking launched that motherfucker in the ocean. You imagine the fucking tsunami that came from that landslide. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day out here today. Another day in paradise. So. Yeah, anyway. I want to share that with you all. I hope everybody has a great day. Peace out. And remember, this is where he died. That's crazy as fuck. Peace out.